Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial series for Abase, the software that helps organizations manage their contracting workflow from start to finish. If you want to learn more about Abase, please visit abase.com to sign up for a free account. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell to be notified whenever there's a new tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to look at what job ops are and how to create them in Abase. In Abase, a job op is a collection of all the deliverables you want to contract for a given project and all the contractors you want to offer the work to. For example, let's say you're running a magazine and you need 10 articles written. You could add all 10 of them to a job op, along with any number of writers who you think might be interested in writing those articles. Once you've got a job op set up, you can use it to send what we call job op inquiries to all the contractors you included, asking them to come check out the project. Let's create a new job op. First, I'm going to go up to the main action menu, select Create Job Op, and click on it. Let's start off with a subject for the job op. This is part of the job op inquiry that you'll be sending to contractors when you're done, so you might want to make it a bit eye-catching. Let's say I need some illustrations for some cards in a board game I'm working on. Let's try this. Next, let's put in a reply by date. This goes in the job op inquiry as well, so contractors know when to get back to you. Now it's time to get creative. The message here will make up the bulk of the job op inquiry, so it's here that you explain to the contractor what you're looking for and invite them to contact you if they're interested. You can put whatever text you want in here based on the project, the contractors, and your team's procedures. Next, let's add some contractors. You can choose them from the drop-down right here, or just start typing and choose them when their name comes up. When you pick a contractor, their name is added to the list below. Another way to add contractors is with contractor groups. Just choose the group you want from the drop-down, and all the contractors in that group will be added to the list. Now let's add some deliverables. Again, just click on the drop-down or start typing the name of the deliverable you want. When you click on it, it goes into the list below. Just as a side note, if you're looking for a specific deliverable but it's not showing up, double-check the deliverable to make sure it's in the right category and that it's marked assignable. Finally, we click on the Save Draft button. Let's take a look at our new job op. As you can see, there are 4 tabs on the job op screen. The first tab shows the details, which we've just established. You can change them by clicking on the Edit button. The second tab lists all the deliverables attached to the job op. Here you can add more deliverables to the list if you want, or delete them by clicking on the trash can. The third tab lists the contractors in the job op. Again, you can add contractors either individually or as a group. And again, you can delete them with a click. Finally, the last tab displays any references you might want to send out as part of the job op inquiry. These references come from the deliverables themselves. If they have any references and those references are marked for inclusion, they'll be included in the job op. Our job op is ready. The last step is to send its inquiries to the contractors we've added. And with just a single click, we can send inquiries to hundreds of contractors. Now that the job op inquiries have been sent out, let's take a look at a few more features that make the job op tool so powerful. First, by clicking on the comment icon, you can exchange messages with the contractor. This is the best way to discuss your project with them before signing a contract. Next, by clicking on the briefcase right next to a contractor, you can allocate deliverables to them like this. If you look at the briefcase, you'll see they show how many deliverables have been allocated to each contractor. The total is listed up here, too. By the way, allocating a deliverable is an internal process. None of the contractors are notified or anything. It's just a way for you and your team to reserve certain deliverables for certain contractors before actually signing contracts. In addition to allocating deliverables, you can actually contract them straight from this interface as well. On the Deliverables tab, for each deliverable, you can see which contractor it's been allocated to, and which contractor it's actually been contracted to. We hope this tutorial has helped you understand how job ops work in Abase. If you have any questions about job ops or getting started with Abase, please contact our support team at abase.com.